What's up everybody? Back here with the Wolf on another little cruise. Today I decided to go on a little cruise. Like I just said, go on a little cruise. But yeah, today we're going to actually Angeles Crest National Forest. I was pretty bored, you know, it's my day off, and I decided to go ahead and come up here and you know, take some pictures, see what's up, and just enjoy the M5. So I got some coffee, and I'm ready to go. So we are on the way up. We're probably gonna find some cool cars and go from there. So yeah, let's go, guys. See what cool cars we find and cool groups of people. There's always a lot of motorcycles and stuff up here, so should be fun. Let's do it. So we are here, guys, at the beautiful Angeles Crest Highway here in SoCal. I'm blessed enough to be able to go ahead and come here whenever I want, and brought this beauty for its first time. Whew. Look at that view. Let's check out this view. This is a beautiful view, but look at this, guys. Oh, ooh, that's a big drop. And it's all about, guys, just going out, enjoying your car, doing some fun stuff. Oh yeah, beautiful out here. Just gonna keep cruising, having some fun. I've never really been into canyon cruising and stuff like that, and taking turns and whatever, you know. If you like that, cool, but I'm more of a just straight line type of guy. So, you know, I'm enjoying these turns, but it's just more of a cruise and keeping it chill. So nice, good stuff. All right, let's keep it going. All right, guys, we are at the second little stop here at Angeles Crest with the M5. Again, just came on a little cruise, nothing too crazy. Check out the view. Oh yeah, beautiful. So it just goes all the way down, can loop around and stuff. Always cool cars, see Porsches, all types of stuff. Right now I was just getting harassed by this Corvette and this other Honda. They were doing like some canyon running. It was pretty cool, but yeah, nah, I'm not trying to take some crazy turns in this thing. It's all good, freaking boat. But yeah, check it out. We got some pretty cool pictures, some different angles like that and stuff, with the nice foggy background. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I'm right here pulled over on the side of Angeles Crest Highway, as you can see here. I wanted to go ahead and record some of the drive, you know, since, oh, sharp little turn here. All right, just so you guys can kind of see, you know, the drive is really nice. Up here in pretty high elevation, I think 3,000 feet or something like that, and you get to see a bunch. There's cool little stops right here. You guys can go ahead and just pull over. It's really nice. Oh yeah. Got a newer M3 here. Beautiful. But as you can see, the road is amazing. It's a really nice drive. A lot of scenery, beautiful scenery, as you can see. Yeah. So, you know, I just decided to go ahead and come up here and hang out for a little bit, and then go from there and see what's up. So we're gonna go ahead and head back down right now, and then just just chill, just enjoy. All right, guys, now that we've finished our Angeles Crest cruise fun, we are en route to Eric's. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and touch base about the build with the M3 and kind of see where we're at and what the progress is. So I'm en route right now. Gonna go ahead and meet up with them and see how everything's going. Go ahead and update you guys on where we're at and kind of see what's next. So we're heading over there and gonna go ahead and see what's up and go from there. So continuing the missions for today. So be there in a bit. Let's go. All right. Hello, hello. What do we have here? All right. We are here back at the lair with the man himself. About to go ahead and see where we're at with everything. Let's go ahead and check it out. Whoo, lordy. Oh, lordy, look at this. This thing looks absolutely sexy. I was pretty much mostly excited about this, but everything looks super cool. You the man. As you guys can see, the turbo guard is on. The titanium pipe is on. The expansion tank is there. We have the nice polished catch can. Everything looks plumbed. We have the reflective tape. Oh man, this looks awesome. It looks really, really good, and we're pretty far in here. What do we got, Eric? What stuff have you done here? Just quick rough overview. Doesn't have to be too crazy.
Is that we're done.
Yeah.
Mechanically, except for the one fitting that we have here, which
oh yeah, I forgot. Check out this coolant pipe, guys.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Nice child over there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So we need this one fitting here to run a hose from the stock BMW coolant line over to our expansion tank, which is over here now, rather than up here. So we need a custom fitting for that from ECS Tuning, and we got that in the car. So after that, the car is ready to go and have the first start on the Cyvex and the top mount. That's not all finished wiring and stuff, but we got it there in case I got to mess with the wiring.
Oh yeah.
Something's a little bit off.
So sexy.
And yeah, we're getting ready for the first start. Everything's good. We got the biggest hurdle we had was the coolant supply pipe from the water pump to the expansion tank. Normally that gives you a fitting right about here that then goes to the expansion tank, which is right here, and obviously we decided to put a turbo there instead. So we needed to figure out a way to plumb that, and we got that figured out right now, and hopefully it's going to work the way we want it to.
Oh yeah, it's going down, baby. It's going down. So yeah, just a couple more little things. Like Eric said, we just have this fitting, which I have in the car right now. We're gonna go ahead and grab it, see what's up. We're gonna chit chat a little bit about what's next, and then go from there. But look at that, thing came out sick. Very nice, very nice.
Check out how this fits with the.
Oh yep. I know Eric's been tampering with the pipe there.
That hood fitment just right.
Oh, beautiful, guys. Look at that. As you can see, I told Fabchild I wanted it subtle, just clean, nice. Looks really good. So moving forward, can't wait to get this thing started up. Some street tuning, and then back on the road. Let's go. All right, what are we working on right here, Eric?
Well, we're gonna figure out. So this is a kit that ECS Tuning sells, and it's a really, really awesome kit that I would recommend for any stock E46 M3 that replaces a very brittle plastic fitting here and a plastic line that comes around here, and then we'll go to the stock expansion tank. And when we were working on this, I was trying to find a fitting to adapt that line to a soft line to go to the expansion tank, and it broke. This fitting broke off, and I can even show you guys a picture of that. I have it over there. So this kit will replace a stock line, but obviously our expansion tank is up here instead of here. So I'm going to see if I can still use this hose,
An expansion tank right here.
or if I'm just going to get a completely separate hose. But this one is really nice and form fitting, so so it'll make the turns really nice from here. So I'm just going to do a couple tests, see what happens, and then
right
we'll get that plugged in over there. We're good to go.
It's going down. Look at this bad boy. Turbo noise. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sirree Bob. Yes, sirree Billy Bob. Now that's really coming together.
Hot damn.
Hot diggity damn there, sonny boy. And then we're redoing the gears right here on this little freaking beast. It's going down. Look at this coolant pipe, guys. Look at this. Look at this little radiator hose that Humble Engineering made me. Whoo! Just want to keep stroking it right now. Rubbing it right there gently. It's nice. Damn, that looks awesome. Ooh, Lord.
It's the Wolf M3.
It's the Wolf, it's the Wolf, it's the Wolf M3.
It's the Wolf, it's the Wolf M3.
You sending the wolf? You sending the wolf? That's all you had to say.
Oh yeah.
Real men use razors.
That's right. So, moving along with the build and what we're doing here. So, when I got everything fabbed up, I had Humble Engineering make me a cool little plate that goes right here next to this that pretty much blocks the ignition coils from getting melted and trying to move heat around so everything stays nice and cool. That's the main thing with this kit, and going top mount is making sure that everything does not get hot and robs us from any type of horsepower.
Yeah,
let's
do a little test fit.
Oh, so what Eric's doing here, as you can tell, he wrapped the plate. Oh yeah, so
we're gonna do the whole thing.
Yeah, so we're doing the whole thing. But as you can see, this is the plate I was telling you guys about. It's coated. Shout out to Young Guns, as always. They ceramic coated it so it can, try to keep everything as cool as possible. And here we have some Goldilocks white gold reflective tape. So shout out to Goldilocks also for taking care of us. But so this is kind of what we're doing here is we're putting the plate. Eric's gonna finish Eric's gonna finish doing all the reflective tape here, and then once it's all said and done, we're gonna try to just keep everything as cool as possible and go from there. So as you can see here we have exhaust coils nice and blocked. We're gonna put that tape here, keep it all nice and cool, and then go from there. So Eric, as always, getting it done. New haircut, looking fresh.
Looking fresh.
Peaky Blinders, looking good. But as you can see, guys, it's very important to, even my tuner from the get-go said, hey, top mount's fine, but make sure to make a plate to keep all this stuff cool. So Humble went ahead and hooked us up. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and do that and keep it going. But look at this. Look at this Ferrari red manifold. Looks so good with the polished. Oh, by the way, guys, check this out. I can't not get over this right here. So, custom expansion tank, John Vigil, custom catch can, Humble Engineering, just beautiful. Eric had a vision from the beginning to have the catch can here next to the expansion tank, nice and above the motor, so everything flows properly. And seriously, guys, like, I cannot get enough of it. I've showed a couple people in the E46 community this, and they're just like, dude, that just knocked it out of the park. So this is just awesome. This is my car always made good power and everything, but now it definitely looks the part that it made, and it makes big power. So it's cool. It's going down.
Go like this.
All right, right here. Fully wrapped. Eric installing the plate. Oh my god. I like it, Picasso.
Picasso.
I like it, Picasso. It looks good. It looks amazing. Oh, yeah. Finger action right there. Oh yeah.
That's why ladies are always sad.
That's right. Look at that, guys. So again, don't mind my watermelon here, but we got the full reflective tape. Again, ignition coils here, downpipe here, hood exit here. Just reflecting all the heat right there. It's going down. Oh yeah, let's get it. Trimmed up and shaved just how we like it. All right, got the plate in there, ready to go. Oh, that Goldilocks times Fab Child times Young Gun times looking legit. Got the turbo, the guard, manifold coils protected. There we go. Ready to rock and roll. Let's see that fitment. Hi-oh! All right.
And then slimes.
Little orange peel right there. We'll take that off. Oh, we're good. We're good. Oh snap! We got a little something else.
I was fighting that for like 30-40 minutes before you even showed up. I'm like, you know, fuck this, just like shove it in there. Just bending it so badly. It's funny.
Eric's about to work his magic right now. Get it.
Ladders aside for the team.
There we go, baby.
I will see you soon, sir.
What's up, brother? Oh yeah. First one on. See the difference there, guys? We ain't gonna leave here with that little pirate. Har, matey. Oh, we got that one-eyed BMW. Oh yeah.
They're so difficult to install.
They are. Truly. Like you mean it, baby.
Like me.
Woo! Look at that. Stock BMW. Stock. I swear off the first stock. Oh yeah. Sheesh. Looking good. All right. Pretty much done.